This is the integral battle, the fast version. The first one, the integral of x times x. The second one, the integral of x times cosine x. Which one would you rather do first? This has three things multiplying together. I think this is too much. I know I've been telling you guys, sometimes when we do integrals, the more the better. However, it's just sometimes. This right here is really too many. Anyways, let's focus on this right here. Integral of x times x. To do this, we have to use integration by parts, and I'm going to show you guys with my DI setup. You can check out the video down below in the description for the complete video for the DI method. So right here, I'm going to pick something to be differentiated and then something else to be integrated, and be sure you have the plus, minus on the side. In this case, 3 rows should be enough. I'm going to integrate sine x. We can totally integrate sine x, right? And then in the meantime, we are going to differentiate x. So let's get to work. I'm going to do the differentiation first because it's easier. That makes me happy. Derivative x is 1, derivative 1 is 0, so we are done. And you see, this is why 0 is enough, because when you see the 0 in the d column, we can stop. Alright, let's focus on integrating sine x. Be careful with this. The integral of sine x, we get negative cosine x. That's the first part, okay? And then, the integral of negative cosine x, we are going to get negative sine x. And then we are done. We can use this. This will help us to get the answer already. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, when you multiply the diagonals, you get the answers. Positive x times negative cosine, we get negative because this is a negative, and we have the x right here, and then we have the cosine x. And then we do the other diagonal, and be sure you have touched this sign. Negative 1 times negative sign, we get positive sine x. And then you see, this right here keeps on going forever, but then when you do 0 times whatever this is, you get 0 anyways, so you are totally done. And then you can just put plus c, and then move to the next one. So right here, what can we do? Well, integral of x times cosine x. This is really no good because I have 3 things. That's horrible, right? But it's okay because if you have seen my other video already, we can look at sine x times cosine x. We have a nice formula for that. You know, when you have sine of 2x, the double angle formula for sine, this is the same as what? 2 sine x cosine x, isn't it? But then I don't want to have this 2, so let's multiply by 1/2 on both sides. Haha, you see now, sine x times cosine x can be reduced to just one function, sine of 2x, and then be sure you have the 1/2 in front. So right here, this is the same as integral x is the x, and then sine x times cosine x, which is right here, which is going to be 1/2. Let's put a 1/2 in the front. And then we still have the sine of 2x. This is so nice because now this is just pretty much the same as that. So DI method once again, let's put it down right here. D and the I plus minus plus. 0 is enough, just like that. And then I'm going to differentiate x. I'm going to integrate. Be sure you have the sine of 2x. Let's do this first because it's easy, right? And then now, be careful with this. Integral of sine of 2x. We know the integral of sine is negative cosine. And then we have the 2x, the input stays the same, but then when you do integrals, you have to divide it by the derivative. This right here. The derivative of 2x is 2, so divide by that, which is 1/2. And then you do this again, you get negative 1/4 sine of 2x. And then you are so done because you can just multiply the diagonals, you can get the answer. And be sure you still have the 1/2 in front. Open the parentheses. This integral is going to give us first x times that. This is negative 1/2, so let's put that down. Negative 1/2, and then we have this x, and then we have the cosine of 2x, right? And then the next one is negative 1 times negative 1/4 because, well, becomes 1/4 positive, and then we have the sine of 2x. And then we are so done. Now, distribute the 1/2 inside. And then finally, ladies and gentlemen, this is 1/2 times negative 1/2. This is 1/2 times negative 1/2. Okay, negative 1/4x that times cosine of 2x, and then 1/2 times 1/4. They are both positive, so we are plus 1/8 sine of 2x. And finally, this is it.